Losing weight effectively and sustainably involves a combination of dietary adjustments, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Here's a breakdown of key tips. Dietary changes. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are generally lower in calories and higher in nutrients, keeping you full for longer. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive intake of unhealthy fats. Control portions. Be mindful of serving sizes. Using smaller plates can help. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Increase protein intake. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce overall calorie consumption. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils in your meals. Limit sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and juice are high in calories and provide little nutritional value. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water instead. Increase fiber intake. Fiber helps regulate digestion and promotes feelings of fullness. Include fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly and without distractions. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. Include strength training exercises at least 2 days per week to build muscle mass, which can boost metabolism. Find activities you enjoy. Choose activities that you find enjoyable, such as walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing, to make exercise more sustainable. Increase daily movement. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking during lunch breaks, or doing household chores. Lifestyle changes. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for weight management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Manage stress. Stress can lead to overeating. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Seek support. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable. Consider joining a weight loss group or working with a registered dietitian or personal trainer. Set realistic goals. Aim for a slow and steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Consistency is key. Making long-term lifestyle changes is more effective than quick fixes. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.